Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Safwan back with a brand new video. So today we're gonna see how to make custom YouTube thumbnails. And if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notifications, and please give this video a like. So yeah, the software that I use for making custom thumbnails is Canva. Canva is very cool and it's also free, not like Snap that you have to pay for even text. So if you could use any software you want, but I prefer Canva. It's so easy. You could edit it. Anything you want is on Canva for free, but there's some things that you can't do, like you can't do that. So yeah, please let's get right onto it, how to make custom thumbnails. Okay, so you're gonna go to Google Chrome and try canva.com. So I'll show you. You go to Google Chrome and type canva.com. Wait, I'll let you know when it came. Okay. Let you know when it came. Yeah, so it came. Yeah, so you're gonna type there YouTube thumbnail. You're gonna press enter. You should press the resolution as 1920 by 1080. So you should make your own one. Custom dimensions. You should press custom dimensions. Once you press custom dimension, you're gonna type 1920 by 1080. So that will take you to this page. Okay, this is my thumbnail for my video. If you need a different one, I'm gonna show you right now. So yeah, I'm gonna give it create a new design. A new tab should come. You could do anything you want in Canva, but except for the pros. You should up the saturation a little bit. Yeah. Wait for it to load. I'll let you know when it came to load. So it came, then it should give you this blank thing right there. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna search from a template, or you could just create a new from your own ideas. So there are a bunch of templates here which you could press anything you want. So you could press the template and you could take the text off, do anything. So yeah. Or if you don't want to do it, you could just upload. If you want, you could just press this upload button and you could just take a photo. So yeah, you could just press the uploads button, then you could just take a photo. I'm using this one. Then you could scale it to the correct moment. You could just scale it to the correct moment. Then you could put a shape, any shape you want, rectangle or anything you want. Yeah, so yeah, this, then you could just type anything here, and yeah, that's how you do it. So Canva is also free without your picture actually. Though. You could also do like this. Okay, I'll show you. Put this in place. Yeah. So you could also do like this. You could select the background, but you could, for the pros, they could arrange the background with the image. So you can't do that for if you're a pro. So I'm gonna take this one. Then I will just put it right here. So my thumbnail was for this video was how to send attachment through Gmail, the second video that I uploaded. Yeah, you need to make sure that your hand is insane. Then you could just, if you want how to put text, you could press the text icon, you could press add a heading, and you could just put it right here. Then you could just type anything you want. Yeah, so yeah, you could type anything you want. So that video was about how to make attachment through Gmail. So I will take how to send attachment you could type here in the text, you could type anything you want in the elements. You could type Gmail, and once you press Gmail, this should come. So yeah, wait for a load. Crop it anything you want. It's very easy, that's why I prefer Canva. Then you could just press this one, Gmail, or you could just type Gmail icon, it should come. I use Gmail, then you could just crop it and put it down. Okay, then there we go. So then you could put the attached background, not the image, but you should do it in different software. You should download it, take it in here. That'll work. But yeah, then you should just tap this one. Once you press that, it should also come here. It should load and see. This is background, it's not the image background. See? So yeah, that's how I edit video, make thumbnails using Canva. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to click the subscribe button. Please turn on that notifications icon so you get notified whenever I upload a video, and give this video a like. And as always, peace out.